Good morning. I'm MetLoop meteorologist Courtney Bird here with your AM weather update for Saturday, October 8th, 2016. Currently looking at radar across the country, we can see as Category 1 Matthew slams the eastern coast of South Carolina and North Carolina, and we're going to be experiencing a lot of rainfall from this as well, with our 24-hour rainfall totals exceeding 10 inches. So we're going to get into that in just a minute. We are currently looking at the next low pressure system moving into the Pacific Northwest, and we're going to be seeing up to 4 inches stretching from Washington all the way to Portland over the next 24 hours. And we're also going to be watching for some rainfall. We are forecasting 1/4 of an inch to an inch of rain from Arizona to New Mexico. So waking up on this Saturday, we have cooler temperatures across the country with 30s in the Dakotas, stretching all the way down to just north of Oklahoma. Now, South Florida is waking up with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, lower 80s in Tampa. But the big story of the day is Hurricane Matthew, currently as a Category 1 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. Matthew is currently moving northeast at 12 miles per hour, but over the next 24 to 36 hours, we are expecting Matthew to take an east-northeast turn that will turn into a southeast turn. Now, our apologies, our program seems to have him marked as a tropical storm at the moment, but Matthew is still a Category 1 hurricane, and we need to let you know that just because he's a Category 1 hurricane, we can still be experiencing tornadoes, high winds, dangerous storm surge, heavy rain, flash flooding, and microbursts. And we saw the effects of Matthew as he moved along the coast of Florida. As he got closer and closer to Jacksonville, we saw the storm surge stretching all the way from the Treasure Coast to Jacksonville, Palm Coast, Daytona Beach, St. Augustine, and we are expecting the same for Charleston as well. And as we switch over to the Charleston radar, we can really see as the eye wall impacts the shoreline. And turning on our loop, we can see as he slowly turns to the northeast. And again, we are expecting a more easterly turn over the next 24 to 36 hours. Turning on precipitation totals over since the storm started, you can see his movement to the northeast by following where the darker rain amounts are. And if we turn on these amounts, we can see that the coast of Carolinas, we have an excess of 10 inches, and over the next 24 hours, we're expecting up to 12 inches. So really, we're going to be seeing a lot of rainfall for the coast, as well as a storm surge along the coast. So really, even though Matthew is a Category 1 storm, soon to be a tropical storm over the next few hours to the next 24 hours, Matthew still poses a great threat to the coasts of the Carolinas, and we are currently monitoring this very closely. Now, the big talk for today is, besides Matthew, we're currently looking at a cold front that's been pushing through the country, and we can see where that cold front's located on the national map by simply looking at the temperatures. You can clearly see where the cooler temperatures are from the warmer temperatures, and that's really going to be where our line of the cold front is. We're seeing 70s, 80s along the coast, but inland we're seeing 50s and 40s, and it's really feeling like fall. A lot of states, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. It's a great day for college football. It's a great day to go on a picnic, go golfing. It's really going to feel like autumn. We're starting to get those pumpkin patches opening up across the country, so it's really going to start feeling like it. And especially, along the coast of the eastern seaboard, that cold front's going to be pushing or helping to push Matthew off into the ocean. So, we're going to be seeing Matthew getting deflected with some cooler temperatures following behind that from the cold front. But majority of the United States is in high pressure dominance. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, mostly clear skies, and it's going to be a great weekend for majority of the United States. Again, we are currently monitoring Hurricane Matthew very closely, as this is something that we urge residents of South Carolina and North Carolina. Please be aware of this, and please make sure to sign up for MetLoop so you are aware of these alerts. We have meteorologists here 24/7, 365 days a year monitoring severe weather to protect you, your family, and your home. Make sure to follow us on social media and Twitter, and we will have our PM update for you later today. Thank you.